All right, you guys enjoyed the overview video on this thing, so I figured I would make you guys a teardown video. But first, I need to get into uniform. Now, we are ready. Damn it, Cole.
Damn it, Cole!
Throwing hair!
Anyway.
If this video is posted, that means this lift kit is for sale. So make sure to hit me up on Instagram if you are interested. But let's go ahead and get this thing up in the air and get ready to start tearing some pieces off. It is now day 2, and we have completely disassembled the front end and Ziploc bagged everything, so I do not forget where it goes. But now we are about to start disassembling the rear end. As you can see, Lieutenant Dan has no legs. Big shout out to my boy, Cole Zurcher over at Gold Chain Customs and Alex Church from Intensity Lighting for helping me tear this thing apart. Cole spent today working on the axle here. And like I mentioned before, this lift kit will be for sale, but I'm sorry to break all of you guys' hearts. The platinum piece will not be included. I'm keeping this. But we have everything zip-locked, like I mentioned earlier, all my bearings and seals that I need. Put everything back together. And if we come over here, this is my next batch of powder coat. The next video you guys will see will either be the new lift kit being put on this thing or an overview of my dad's truck. So stay tuned for both, and we'll see you on the next one.